I'm very happy to confirm our pre-cruise hotel aquí mismo in Punta Cana. Sorry, this is our post-cruise hotel. It is called Reserva Real and it is located in Bavaro. Wonderful place, wonderful location, fabulous beds. I can just tell you about the sleep I had last night. I was up by 9 p.m. people. Yep, and amazing. So I look forward to sharing this wonderful space for our post-cruise, and that will be December 27th. We get off the MSC Opera in La Romana and we come directly to this wonderful property. It's an EP. We'll have our breakfast included and then it will be time to hit the road, and we will be spending the afternoon at a local excursion that will give us a true taste of the culture and the cuisine of the Dominican Republic. So take it all in. This will be your home away from home, and I know you're just going to love it. I enjoyed it. My king bed was king of my sleep because I slept so well, and you will do too. The only regret I am having is that I have to leave way too soon. But like I like to say, if we don't leave, we cannot come back. So we look forward to sharing space with you right here. It's going to be grand, and you are going to absolutely love it. Cannot wait. See you very soon. Ciao for now.